This is Black Bear Forge 2, not to be confused with the main Black Bear Forge channel. I originally started this channel as a place to put YouTube shorts that pertain to blacksmithing because people didn't seem real interested in that over on the main Black Bear Forge channel. Over the years, this channel evolved a little bit. I started putting some long form video on here just to see how it performed, some more basic things, and condensed versions of some of the longer videos that I was putting over on the main Black Bear Forge channel. As time went on, I kind of changed my philosophy a little bit. I thought should really just have one channel. I should just pretty much abandon this channel, put everything over there on the Black Bear Forge channel. Of course, people still didn't really like shorts, and I found that a lot of times the shorts audience didn't come back to watch the long form videos, and it was hurting the long form video views on that channel. So I pretty much quit making shorts altogether, except maybe for Instagram Reels and that kind of thing. Recently, I started experimenting with shorts again because I do see value in those for people. It's a good way to answer simple questions and get some good information out. And a lot of times a 20 or 30-minute video will have little segments in it that are ideal to make short videos out of because it just deals with one quick little subject, a quick technique, a trick, or something like that. And I started putting those over there and decided, that's what I created this channel for. Why don't I move all of that back here? So I've done that. Now all of my blacksmithing shorts are here. And if I'm going to do that, then maybe some of the other videos belong here as well. Over the last month, I've been putting a lot of simpler videos up on the Black Bear Forge channel. Some might call that a quantity over quality approach. But the truth is, as a video creator, I don't get to define what quality means to you. You get to define that. And a lot of people like shorter, simpler videos and aren't really into the longer, more involved projects that I'm looking to do over on the Black Bear Forge channel. So what I'm thinking of now is putting the YouTube shorts and the shorter long form videos, things in the 3, 5, maybe 10-minute range that deal with fairly simple, fairly basic topics. All of that here on Black Bear Forge 2, and the videos on Black Bear Forge will be more likely to be kind of bigger projects, things that take several days or a week, maybe more than a week to complete. So there might be fewer videos there, and I'll supplement over here. Whether those two channels compete with each other, I don't know. I could put it all on one, but I've always had a vision of what that main channel could be, and I've never really given it a chance to be what I intended it for in the first place. So if I move a lot of the simpler, more basic, more instructional videos over here, then I can think I can focus my efforts over on the main channel for the bigger things. Things like the gate project we did over there recently. And coming up fairly soon, I'm going to be building a whole new forge over here in this shop. And that'll probably be over there because this is going to be a month, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, something like that to get this project done. In the meantime, we can go over to the little shop and do simpler videos about techniques and tools and things like that, and hopefully keep everybody interested. It does mean you need to subscribe to both channels if you want to see everything, but the people that just want the bigger projects can watch one channel. People just want the simpler projects can watch the other channel, and it's all good because you get to decide what you want to watch on YouTube. Hope that makes sense. Hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, have fun, stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.